Hi guys. All right, so in your packet today, you have a worksheet that looks like this. And then you have a bunch of little clocks at the bottom that you have to cut out and you have to tell the time on them. So I'm gonna do a couple with you to help practice, and then you'll do the rest on your own. So on here, we know that our first rule that we went over this morning is we need to look at the small clock hand. So I see here's my smallest one right here. So I'm going to circle it. Now, I need to see what number it's pointing at. Uh-oh, it's not pointing at one number. So our rule also said that sometimes it may not be pointing at one number. It might be between two numbers. So we need to pick the smallest number. Well, it looks like it's between the 4 and the 5. So out of 4 and 5, 4 is the smallest. So I'm going to circle the 4. So now I know that it's 4 something. My last rule says I need to look at the big clock hand or the minute hand. So here's my minute hand. It is pointing at the 6. So on our chart that we went over this morning, it said if it was pointing at the 6, then we have to write 30. So we circled 4, so it's 4:30. So I'm going to write that on the clock, 4:30. So then I would glue it right there under 4:30. Okay? Let's go over another one. Here's one. All right, I need to find my small hand. There's my small hand, so I'm going to circle it. Now, it's not pointing at one number, it's between two numbers. It's between the 7 and the 8. Out of 7 and 8, 7 is the smallest number. So I'm going to circle 7. So I'll write 7 here, dot, dot. Then I need to find my biggest hand or my minute hand. Here's my minute hand, and it's pointing at the 6. Now remember, we talked about it. If it's pointing at the 6, then that means we need to write 30. So that means the time is 7:30. So then I would take this clock, find 7:30. There it is. Glue my clock there. Okay, we're going to do one more together. Here's the next one. Find the small clock hand or the hour hand. There it is. It's not pointing at one number, it's between two numbers. It's between the 3 and the 4. Out of 3 and 4, 3 is the smallest number. So I'm going to circle that 3. And I'm going to write 3, dot, dot. Then I'll find my minute hand or my longest hand. It's pointing at the 6. We know if it's pointing at the 6, that means we're going to write 30. So my time is 3:30. So come back to our paper, find where it says 3:30. There it is. So I'll glue my clock right there, 3:30. If you have any questions, let your parents know and they can contact me and I will help you the best I can. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon and I'll see you hopefully on Zoom on Thursday.